My name is Philip Cook, and I'm a mediator and arbitrator. I spent 20 years at Jones Day trying significant cases. For the next 10 years, I opened the Cook law firm, and I also operated a company called Cook Mediation, where I began spending an increasing amount of my time working with parties to settle their cases. And then I joined JAMS as a full-time mutual. Being a mediator for courts, I learned that a day mediating is different than a day litigating. There is something about working with people to help them resolve their case that's very attractive to me. I love being engaged in the process, I love the focus, I love the role. Depending on the mediation, my mediation style could be facilitative, it could be evaluative, it could be transformational, it really just depends. People are bringing different kinds of emotion to a mediation. It may be fear, it may be anger, it may be resentment about something. And I think to really get to the bottom and come up with a successful resolution, you've got to help people work through all of those things. The advice I give lawyers about how to prepare their clients for mediation is encourage them to have an open mind. You never know what's going to happen when we start this conversation at mediation. Feel free to ask questions. This is your case, it's your negotiation. Don't sit on the sidelines and let it happen without you. I think a good arbitrator has to have a couple things. One, I think they have to be prepared to be objective, first and foremost. I think a good arbitrator has a keen intellect. They're able to understand the facts that took place. They're able to understand the law that they have to apply to those facts. And I think an arbitrator has to be prepared to sit down and write a reasoned decision, one that explains why and how they came to that result, and one that withstands a challenge. Every mediator brings a certain experience in the law to the table. Mine is one of trying cases for 30 years, being fascinated by the trial process. I've picked juries, I've done jury surveys, I've done mock trials. I have the ability to sit with people and talk to them about the risks and uncertainties of trying the case and understanding what your narrative may or may not do. At the end of the day, a settlement is about people making decisions. They make better decisions when they're better informed. And I'm a mediator that hopefully helps people become better informed to make better decisions about their future.